Beard balm and beard butter are some of the most popular men's grooming products out there on the market. But what makes these products so different? Why is one better than the other? And why does it really matter? Hey guys, Austin here with Volt Life Proof Grooming, and today we're going to be talking about the main differences between beard balm and beard butter and why you should care. Now, it's pretty easy to spot the difference between beard oil and beard balm. Beard balm is somewhere in the middle between beard oil and beard wax in that it gives you the styling properties of beard wax, but it also gives you the added benefit of being a beard moisturizer like beard oil does. Now, beard butter is actually kind of in the same situation. However, beard butter itself is in between beard oil and beard balm. So on the sliding spectrum between beard oil and beard wax, beard balm is going to be pretty much right dead set in the center to give you both properties, the styling of beard wax and the hydration of beard oil. But beard butter is actually a softer, more hydration focused beard product. And so beard butter is going to be between beard oil and beard balm. And here's why. Beard balm itself is going to contain a higher ratio of waxes. Now, these waxes are obviously good for styling your beard and keeping everything nice and tight, controlling those flyaways, and generally making your beard look well groomed and put together. Now, beard butter, on the other hand, is going to have a higher concentration of oils and butters, things like shea butter or kapaku butter, and that is going to make the beard butter much more hydration focused, simply because there is a higher ratio of lighter, more hydrating properties and materials in that beard butter. So all in all, beard balm is going to have more wax in it, and like I was saying earlier, because of those waxes, you're going to get more hold with beard balm, and beard balm is going to have a harder, kind of firmer consistency to it. And this actually also means that beard balm is going to last longer in your beard than beard butter will. And that's because the blend of those oils and waxes, having more wax in it, actually keeps the oil from being absorbed by your beard as quickly. It kind of slows down the march of the oil into your beard. Now, beard butter, on the other hand, is going to have a much lighter consistency. Something you can just scoop out with your fingertip as opposed to needing to scrape it out maybe with your fingernail. So beard butter obviously is going to have a higher ratio of oils and butters. It's going to give you much quicker hydration than beard balm will because those oils and those butters soak into your beard real fast. But it's also going to give you less of a hold and less control over your beard hair than you may want. So depending on which one of these products speaks to you, we actually have a really cool video on how you can use some of Volt's beard oil and some Volt beard balm and mix them together to create your very own custom beard butter, if that is your thing. Otherwise, you can just go for the regular Volt beard oil if you just need some hydration, or you can go with the regular Volt beard balm if all you need is some style, some consistency, and some longer lasting hold and hydration throughout the day. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I was able to clear up the difference between beard butter and beard balm. If you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe. We've got tons more coming out for you. And feel free to check out voltgrooming.com for more cool topics and blogs and videos and stuff like that. We will see you in the next video.